Hello to all my viewers. Today I have two words for you: engagement and creativity. These are two very big words in the education field at this point. And how can we institute this in our classrooms? I have one app for you. It's called PictoChart. One design for PictoChart is the incorporation of infographics in the classroom. Instead of simply asking questions for students to display their learning, now you can have them design an infographic relative to your topic to instill their creativity and also show you exactly what they have learned. So I'm going to walk you through using PictoChart. So let's get started. So first you're going to navigate to pictochart.com. That is with a K, not a C. So it'll be PIKTOCHART.com. We're going to click login. And if you followed any of my previous segments, you will know that I'm a big fan of any app that will let you log in with your Google ID. So we're going to click sign in with Google. Now, this is your dashboard. Very simple and elegant. All we're going to do is we're going to click Create New. Now you have three options here: an infographic, a presentation, or a printable. Now, I would suggest exploring all options, but for our purposes today, we're going to look at the infographic. Now, this is the wonderful thing about this. If your student is highly creative, I would suggest using a blank one. Let them design their own. Let them be as creative as they possibly can. If you have the shy type, the less artistic type, they can also use any one of these free templates. There are many different free templates, and they can use it depending on what you want them to do for their assignment as to which one will be appropriate. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick one. We'll start with this one here. I'm going to click Use Template. And you can see this simply pops up just like we saw earlier. And all we're going to do is we're going to make changes. You can double click on each one of these to change the title. Any of the text you simply double click on and type in whatever you want to type in. For the pictures, simply click here and you see your graphics tab is over here. You can change it with shapes and icons, lines, photos, photo frame. If you want to add a photo, you simply click photo and click the little plus sign to add your own images. If you need to add text, you simply click text, and whichever one of these is appropriate for what you want to add, and you click where you want it to go. If you want to change the background, again, you simply click background and choose whichever one best fits your topic. Anything else that you would like to add can always be added here in the uploads. Now, the key to this is to make sure that you provide the students with enough information to where they can produce an adequate infographic for your topic. So make sure the topic is concise and not too vague. Once you're finished, students can preview it by clicking right here, or download it straight to their computer, or they can share it out. Let's look at the options for sharing. Once you click share, it gives you a link, and this link can then be uploaded to any LMS or social media website that may be being used in the classroom. Simply highlight it, copy it, then click OK. Now it's ready to be posted. Now, right here is where you can set your parameters. Anyone can view the sharing link, or only you can view the sharing link. All right. So if we open it on the web, this would be what your final product would look like. So again, this tool is fantastic for developing your students' creativity and adding a level of engagement to your classroom. This will be great for any topic, any subject, and in any area. So please feel free to explore and use it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, Pictochart with a K, not a C.